Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Mintable, found at https://mintable.app. This platform offers a unique approach to creating and managing digital assets, providing users with tools to mint, buy, sell, and even auction off their creations. Whether you're an experienced NFT enthusiast or just starting your journey in the digital asset space, Mintable aims to provide a user-friendly environment for all. One of the key features that sets Mintable apart is its gasless minting option, allowing creators to tokenize their work without incurring upfront Ethereum transaction fees. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry for new artists and creators, opening up opportunities for a wider range of individuals to participate in the NFT marketplace. Mintable also boasts a diverse range of supported file formats, allowing for the tokenization of various digital creations, from artwork and music to collectibles and even virtual real estate. The platform provides a streamlined process for listing your NFTs, with customizable options for setting prices, royalties, and auction parameters. Beyond creation and sales, Mintable fosters a community aspect, connecting creators and collectors through various features. The platform integrates with social media, allowing users to share their creations and engage with other members of the Mintable ecosystem. This emphasis on community building helps to promote discoverability and creates a more dynamic marketplace for both creators and collectors. Whether you're looking to mint your first NFT or expand your existing collection, Mintable offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to help you navigate the world of digital assets. Be sure to check out the platform and explore its features for yourself.